Hi friend, I am Rajdeep Acharya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you that how we can prepare 5x of 40 ml solution from 10x solution. So to prepare 5x of 40 ml solution from 10x solution, we will use a formula, that is C1V1 equals to C2V2. C1 V1 equal to C2 V2, and in this formula C1 V1 is actually for stock solution purpose, and C2 V2 this is actually for working solution purpose. So now we need to know that what is actually stock solution and what is actually working solution. So basically stock solution is a solution which is given, and working solution is a solution that we have to prepare from the given solution. So basically in this question you can see that we have to prepare 5x of 40 ml solution. So this is actually our working solution that we will prepare for the lab experiment purpose or research experiment purpose, and the stock solution is actually 10x solution that is actually given. And basically so C1 V1 is actually stock solution purpose, and C2 V2 is actually for working solution purpose. So this type of problem will help you to prepare a particular solution, a particular concentration of solution from a particular concentration of solution for research experiment or lab experiment purpose. So here we can say that C1 is actually the concentration of stock solution and V1 is actually the volume of stock solution, and basically C2 is actually the concentration of working solution and V2 is actually the volume of working solution. So the concentration of our stock solution is actually 10x. So this is actually C1 is actually 10x, and V1 is actually unknown that we have to find out from the formula. Okay friend, and basically C2 is actually 5x and V2 is the volume of our working solution, that is actually 40 ml. Okay friend, so now we will use the formula C1 V1 equals to C2 V2 to find out the V1, so that we can find out the V1. So we will use this formula. So basically we have to find out V1. So we can write C2 V2 by C1, we can write this, and now we can put the value of C2 V2 and C1, and after the calculation we will get 20 ml, that is the value of V1. So suppose this is actually a beaker of 10x solution and this is a beaker of 5x solution, 5x solution that we have to prepare from the 10x solution. So the value of V1 is actually 20 ml. That means we have to take 20 ml of 10x solution, 20 ml of 10x solution, and we have to add this 20 ml of 10x solution in this 5x beaker, that is our desirable solution that we have to prepare. And now we find out the V1 value, that is 20 ml, and we add 20 ml of 10x solution in the beaker in which we will prepare the 5x of 40 ml. So now we also have to calculate the distilled water amount, so that our V1 value is actually 20 ml and the total amount is actually 40 ml, 5x of 40 ml, and the V1 is actually 20 ml. So we have to minus the 20 ml from the 40 ml. Okay friend, so 5x of 40 ml, we have to minus the calculated 20 ml from the 40 ml to find out the amount of distilled water. So basically 40 minus 20 equals to 20. That means also we have to add 20 ml of distilled water in this beaker. So 20 ml of 10x solution and also 20 ml of distilled water to make 5x of 40 ml solution. Here you can see that 20 ml plus 20 ml equals to 40 ml. So this is the rules of how to prepare 5x of 40 ml solution from a 10x solution. So in this question the concentration given but the volume is not given, that you have to find out by use of C1 V1 equal to C2 V2. And also after calculation of V1 you also have to calculate the amount of distilled water. So to calculate the amount of distilled water you just have to see that the amount of the concentration of working solution, and from there you have to minus the calculated value of V1. Then you will have the amount of distilled water that you have to add to prepare the desirable amount of solution, desirable concentration of solution for your research or for your laboratory experiment purpose. Thank you so much.